dwaro. Kawadhi nyime ni kontrakta mar gedo mar gach reru e alwora ma Tiritab Moita mano mantiere kar chung'od bura ma Bureti kaunti ma Narok gedo chako tich makamane thuolo mar jumbe ariyo mabiro. Jatandiruok mar geche reru e pacho ka Philip Maingi noketo wach makamana ayanga ermo margi kod jokanyo e sekta no. Owacho ni e kind kilomita 50 stops 4 kamoting'o Tiritab Moita, Ngoi, Kapsorok kod Tabaita ibiro ger ka gavana ma Kericho Mutai bende wacho ni stops mag Tiritab kod Kapsorok biro konyo e bero chumi ma alwora no ma kuom kinde mathoth osebedo ka odok piny.
We agreed we have a small stakeholders meeting and invite all the people in this place where the station is going to be built. And as you know, we have changed the name of this station to Teritamoita. Initially, we had suggested another name. We have agreed this morning with the governor on many issues touching on the construction of SGR Phase 2B. And for your information, in Kericho County, SGR is covering 50 kilometers. And therefore, within those 50 kilometers, we are going to have not less than 4 stations, as the governor has said. And we are going to engage the local people. We are going to employ the local people. We are going to have the local young people working in this station.
The choice of this station will not only place Chablanget in the map of this nation, but also open up the economy of this region. And residents will want to thank the president. Number 3, this station here, I want to commit to the people of Chablanget and the people of Kericho that nobody will move the station from here. The government plan has been solid. It has been very clear that the hub is going to be here.